this Women's Month, we reflect on the good work that has been done by the Minerals Council's Women in Mining initiative over the past year, noting the progress achieved in some strategic areas and highlighting those areas where we know we need to place more focus. We also want to acknowledge the challenges experienced in the sector and the country in which we operate as the mining industry. These are challenges that directly impact negatively on women's lives and their safety. We cannot afford to ignore the critical issues faced by South African women, which all of us must tackle head on. Over the last year, the Minerals Council's Women in Mining has made notable progress in several areas highlighted in our strategy. This is to the credit of our team, yes, but more importantly, to the Minerals Council's member companies and organizations who implement our mutually agreed strategies and initiatives at their operations. Part of our commitment to fighting gender-based violence and femicide, which we know as GBVF, Women in Mining agreed to facilitate a collaborative effort with the Office of the Presidency on their 100 Days Challenge. This initiative focuses on building institutional capacity to address GBVF and localize the action plans detailed in the National Strategic Plan on GBVF. This year, Minerals Council member Exxaro Resources participated in the challenge, which ran at multiple operations from the 4th of April to the 29th of July. In that time, they reached and engaged more than 10,000 employees and contractors and came up with targeted and localized solutions to address GBVF that are both inclusive and impactful. We hope to see more member companies participating in the future, and we will provide all member companies in-depth insights into what the initiative entailed and what was achieved throughout the 100 days. Further to our commitment to make mining workplaces safe for women employees, we are also seeing positive work as part of the health and safety initiatives that focus on improved lighting underground. This is an area where operational safety and women's safety intertwine because poor lighting has been clearly identified as a contributing factor to women's vulnerability and lack of safety when working underground. By improving rock face lighting, member companies contribute to the fight against GBVF and create physically and psychologically safe working environments for women. We recognize and celebrate Northern Platinum, which is leading the industry on this much needed initiative. It is encouraging to see so many member companies participating in the Minerals Council Women in Mining Heroes initiative. And this year, we look forward to celebrating women in the mining industry who are making remarkable contributions through member companies to the communities in which they operate, with the 2022 Social Performance Heroes Initiative. Finally, a significant portion of our work for 2022 is focused on a formal review of member companies' progress in implementing the agreed Women in Mining foundational measure outputs over the last 2 years. This review, which starts this month, will be conducted by an independent external body and will look to flag those companies who are leaders in good practice, as well as those companies who could benefit from more support. This is a critical exercise for us because it affords us the opportunity to take stock and recalibrate our strategy where necessary, to ensure we reach the stretch targets we've set ourselves to increase the safe and sustainable participation of women in South African mining. Our work as Women in Mining is gathering impetus as the issues we champion gain traction across the industry. The Minerals Council stands at the forefront of raising awareness of women in mining, focusing on the wonderful achievements we've made to date on the one hand, but also identifying the areas of concern which we are resolute in resolving. The Minerals Council is making mining matter.